Alright, hello once again, Jeff Scott from Jeff Teaches Programming, and I'm trying to come in here and go over these last two files so we can get done with this BMI Kotlin program and then go into the last one that I've got scheduled, which is the payroll written in Kotlin. So let's try to find some errors in here. This should be VBox, not box. There isn't such a thing to my knowledge. This first one. It's not build row, it's BMI row. Alright. This is a little screwed up. Try to fix this now. We're going to see if it works. Rid of this. And I'm going to put in this. Alright, then this return here, moving this over. Alright. I think that's correct now, but it does have, now it has one too many curly braces. There we go. All right. I think this one should be state also. I think that's everything in this file. Save all. So let's take a look at this one. Well, the first one is pretty obvious. This doesn't return a double, it doesn't return anything. So I think rather than saying this, I'm just going to say return. All right. Next, this whole thing here should be in a return when like that. I believe that's correct. No. I think because we're getting errors here because these values are defined outside of here. So I think this should be on the outside of the companion object, like that, which would mean this can all move over. Like that. Alright, I think that's pretty much what was stopping it from compiling. Do a save all. And sorry, I gotta take a phone call. I'll be right back. Alright, I've looked at the BMI state.kt file and I think it's okay. And I'm looking here and I've got this in here twice. Don't know why, but I do. So that's gone. Okay, this BMI, label BMI. Should be here, comma, BMI value label dot apply. This was wrong. Where are we? This is inside of the companion object, so it has to be BMI state. This is outside, so it should not be. Now, I don't know if I fixed everything or did not fix everything, but I'm going to try. File, save all. File, save. All right. I want to go back up now. I want to open up a terminal window. And in this terminal window, I want to go back and I want to be in so I want to be there, I think, in BMI Kotlin. All right. Now I don't remember the exact command, of course. Let's see if I can find it. See how that works. Yeah, of course not. It's not recognized as a name. I think I need /gradle run. Unable to access jar file. I don't know. CD2 Java BMI Kotlin calculator. Don't know if that's nope, that isn't it either. All right, wait a second. All right, I believe I've got it working. I had to go into my build.gradle.kts file and change this to this. Most of the problem seems to be with OneDrive. It's taking some caching option and it's setting it to true when it should be false. So if I go back to here now, there's my program. Let's see if it works. I honestly haven't tried it. So 72, 111, underweight. It's not centered, but I don't care. 72, 177. Yeah, that's right. 72 and 200. That should be overweight. And 333. That should be like 4516 obese. Okay. Clear. Let's try putting in something that's wrong. Please enter a valid height. Same thing. Please enter a valid weight. Same thing. Same thing. Show totals. I should have one of each, and I do. It appears as though it's not working. All right. So the problem is with OneDrive. So right now with OneDrive, that's where I've got everything. I'm going to move it off and just put it right onto my C drive. And I think it should work better from there, hopefully from then on. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this in just a couple minutes after I clean it up a little bit. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out and add this to my GitHub repository. All right, now I'm not going to be on for probably tomorrow, but hopefully I'll come back Tuesday and I'll start on the payroll one. Talk to you then. Thanks.